Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a basic signature to Microsoft Outlook for Office 365 on a Mac computer, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Office 365, come to work, school or business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left hand side navigation menu or go to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on all applications. Navigate to Outlook. Let's just create a new message. Let's send this to myself. The subject will be a new email. Dear Media, this is a very quick email in regards to a signature. We can change this. This is a very quick email in regard to a signature. Kind regards. And now this is where we take into consideration the signature for the email. I can end with my name, or I can end with media, as this is from the media account email. A number, let's say mobile, and so on, maybe a landline, 0116, maybe a website, yours could be whatever your website is. We can then bring in social media accounts if we want to. Let's just highlight and put media in bold. So this is a signature. So I would copy this for the moment. Right click, copy. And we can now send this to myself. Let's just click on send. So that email has now been sent to myself. Let's just click on the email itself. And there we go, Dear Media. This is a very quick email in regard to a signature, kind regards. And that's my signature. However, let's just click on new message now. We do not have the signature, as we would now need to add it from the settings. That's another video. Let's just copy and paste the signature. And then we would compile a brand new email to a new person with a new subject, dear whoever, with the email, and then kind regards with your signature. So we can now discard the email for the moment. Yes. So we can now quit Google Chrome. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.